With today marking International Nurses Day, I've been speaking with former nurse and university lecturer Sue on what it's like training frontline healthcare workers.
I started my nursing career in 1984, so I've been a nurse for quite some time now, 36 years. I worked for the NHS for 22 years as a cancer nurse, and I've spent the last 14 years working at the university in the privileged position of being a lecturer, then a senior lecturer, and then as head of nursing and health sciences at the University of Sunderland. Certainly, the pandemic has been a huge shock to everybody, and obviously working in healthcare and healthcare education, it's been a huge challenge for all universities and all sectors to make sure that their students are still getting the experiences they need. Obviously, this is International Nurses Day, and we're focusing on our nursing students at the moment. We have student nurses who just graduated in the spring, and they went straight into work in the NHS, which is fantastic. We've then got our third years who are currently working in practice at the moment, supporting the NHS. And then we've got some of our second years waiting to go in there. We've had to move to online delivery for them, which has been a real challenge, but actually we've learnt a lot as well. It's just wonderful to see that transition and to be part of that. I'm in a very privileged position to be able to support people through that journey and to support our partners as well out there in the NHS. The only message for me really is obviously to thank all of our nursing colleagues out there. Actually anybody working in healthcare at the moment, the paramedics are out there doing an awful lot of work at the moment, all of our key workers out there who are working in all sorts of different areas, who are supporting everybody at the moment. And to actually, to the public who are being careful, for those that are really thinking about what they're doing so that we don't overload the NHS at the moment.